Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to withdraw crypto via bank transfer on crypto.com. And also, I'll be sharing the important things that you need to know in processing your withdrawal. Please keep in mind that you need to have a USD fiat wallet to do the bank transfer via ACH Network. Bank transfer using ACH Network are comparatively inexpensive way to transfer funds to your Crypto.com account or withdraw crypto to your bank account. As Crypto.com app user, you can withdraw USD from the app by selling crypto assets to your USD fiat wallet. And transfer your USD fund from fiat wallet to your USD bank account via ACH Network. Which cryptocurrencies can you sell to USD in Crypto.com app? Crypto.com app supports the following tokens. How many US bank account on ACH Network you can connect on the app. The answer is, you can connect up to 5 at a time. Connected bank accounts can be removed anytime. How to submit a USD withdrawal request. First is, you must successfully set up a USD fiat wallet. If you haven't done it yet, check this video out. Open Crypto.com app. Under Homepage, tap on Transfer. Then click Withdraw. Choose Fiat. Tap on USD balance and then add Withdraw USD. Click Add Bank Account to select bank. Click Continue. Once bank account has been successfully added, it will be available for withdrawal. Review your USD withdrawal and tap Confirm. The status of the withdrawal will be updated. How long does it take to receive the fund in your US bank account? It may take 3 to 5 business days to arrive on your bank account. Crypto.com will notify you via email or push notification after internal review. How much will be the withdrawal fee? Right now, there's no withdrawal fee using Crypto.com app. Alright, so that's how you withdraw your crypto via bank transfer. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.